Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a witch. Let's start drawing. I start with her face. I draw her nose and chin, her very scary eye, and her mouth with only one tooth. Then I draw her messy hair and her witch hat on the top of her head. Now let's draw her body with her arm and the rest. Draw her high heel boots and her hand. She is holding a broom. She is sitting on it and flying very high in the sky.
Double, double, toil and trouble, fire, burn, and cauldron bubble.
Behind her, we draw her cat, like this. Finally, I draw the moon in the background. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color her skin with this light green marker. Then I use light red for her mouth. I color her hair black.
Double, double, toil and trouble, fire, burn, and cauldron bubble.
I use the purple marker for her outfit, for her hat, and her clothes too. I use black for the stripe of the witch hat and also for her boots. Yellow. Then I color her broom dark brown and light brown. She has a black cat. I'm going to add a little gray here around her face, but for the rest of the cat's body, I use black. Finally, I color the moon yellow. I add a little dark blue to the background.
Really good.
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.